Hello there, back fans, and today's daily clean is going to be brought to you by this Miele, which I haven't used for a little while. It's my Miele C2 Compact, or the Miele S6, whichever you want to call it now, but this is actually the S6 version because it's pre-EU regulation. This is the Cat and Dog 6000, and it's a maximum 2000 watt machine. It has the Cat and Dog turbo brush on it, which I'm going to be using on the carpets in here. And when we go in the kitchen, I shall be putting the standard floor head on with the traffic light head. So that'll be an interesting one because it lights up red, amber or green depending on whether it finds any dirt on the floor. So we'll be doing the furniture as usual with the Miele turbo brush, and I have the dusting brush over there on the table just to do the bit of dusting on the desk there and the computer chair and probably a little bit round here. You know how the daily cleans go now and the routine. I hope people aren't finding them too boring, because if they are, I shall just discontinue doing them. It must get a little bit boring with me doing the cleaning in the same house but just a different machine. I don't know, do people like these daily cleans or not? The whole idea with these is supposed to be that I spend less time talking and more time vacuuming. Because to be honest, now I've done reviews on just about all the machines I've got upstairs, so I'm sort of scratching my head as things to do. And rather than end the series sort of thing and not bother doing any more videos, I can still carry on doing some of these, but the videos are going to be much fewer and far between now because I just don't have the money or the facilities to keep buying more vacuum cleaners to show on YouTube. But for today I shall do this one. I've got some more washing machine videos to come up when I do more programmes on there. But I don't think people want to see the washing machines on my channel either, because I don't get many views on. So I don't know, to be honest. I can do a few more big mess tests, but I'm pretty much running out of stuff to film. But anyway, let's get on with this. The trouble with this floor head, it won't go across the carpet very easily here because the nap of the carpet goes this way and it's hard to push it. So I have to go in reverse and go the other way across the pile. It goes really easily across the carpet pushing it this way, but it's hard to push it across in that direction. Okay, we're down onto Miele and Power now to do this bit of dusting on the chair and because I spend a lot of time sitting on this chair watching everyone else's YouTube videos all about vacuum cleaners. Tell you what, it's just so easy to use with this type of hose without the power hose on. It's just so light with this handle and that dusting brush on the end. It's the best dusting brush combination I've ever used, really. It's just so easy to do the dusting with this on the end on the cylinder. I know it's a little bit untidy on my desk at the moment. I could do with having a bit of a tidy up. I'm sort of working more hours at the moment because people are off at work, so I haven't been getting in till 8 o'clock, and this is why I haven't been doing any videos the last few days. And the last thing I want to be doing at 8 o'clock is coming in here and doing big mess tests. A nice couple of daily cleans I think we'll do. Bit of dusting with this. Hello. And the ever dusty TV stands. Never known anything get dusty like the TV stand, especially being black. Old video recorder, I never even use these now, tell you. Just like defunct, doesn't even get switched on. Just sits here gathering dust for me to hoover up, vacuum up, sorry. It's Fantastic dusting of this dusting brush combination. Lovely, lovely machine to use this is. I should use it more often really, but I do prefer the S8 over this one. The S8 this one doesn't. So I'm borrowing the S8 dusting brush at the moment. So this is upstairs on the caddy. I mean, this is 5 years old now. I've had this machine for over 5 years. It just doesn't seem like yesterday when I bought it. Lovely little machine. They're still making it just the same as this now, but with a lower wattage motor. Right, let's go in the kitchen with the traffic light head on. I should just put the camera down here just for a sec while I go and get it. Turn the power up a bit. Okay. So this is the Allergotec head. This one came off my Miele S8 Medicare, which I got for £140 from Curry's when they were on special offer a few years ago. And I thought that was an absolute bargain considering the price the C3 Complete goes for these days. They cost a fortune. I've never known Miele's be so expensive with what they are now. And there you can see the light constantly on red there because this rug gets walked on all the time and the cat comes in this way, so it's red light is telling me that it's not clean. And when it's green all the time it means it is. Very sensitive that is to dirt. Well, I don't know what that's trying to tell me now because it's flashing red. Or does that mean the batteries are low? I'm not sure. Let's just have a look. Right, I think what we'll have to do with this is to just have a look and see if we can change the batteries, because it might be the batteries are no good. Okay. I really must get some more batteries as well. Always technical hitches, eh? Always technical hitches. So what we do is just take off the battery cover, take out these two batteries, put these ones in, plus and minus. Hang on, that goes that way and that one goes that way and that goes back in. Let's see if that works better now. So we're on hard floor mode. Well, I can never do it with bare feet, I have to do it with my hands. Let's try again. I'm going to have to go and change the power socket over. And this is the pain in the neck with these things. They just don't have a long enough cord on. Yeah, I should put it into this one. I keep forgetting to do that. Right, after the second interruption, we're going to be able to get this bathroom done. Going to find dirt on here. This is where the cat comes in the cat flap. So the idea is you're supposed to keep scrubbing that area until that green light's on all the time. Too fierce, I'm going to have to turn the suction down. This lino, because it's not stuck down, everything just pulls it up to the nozzle, and this is the problem I've got with it. This is the Dyson light ball upright will go over here without pulling it up. That's quite good. And the big ball cylinder will as well. Right, so let's just do behind here. Well, it's not coming on red very much in here because this bathroom gets vacuumed quite a lot. Okay, well we're not doing upstairs today, as I say, it's just like the downstairs because we're almost out of time now, so let's take it back in the back room. There we go. I'll just do the comfort rewind on that because I usually cut the camera off before I have a chance to do that on other cleaning ones. So let's have a go. It might get tangled up there because it's... Let's see anyway. Yeah. Well, this really played me up, hasn't it? First of all, the batteries weren't in there and it flashed at me. And then it ran out of cable going in there and I had to change the cable over. And then for the third one, it didn't even wind it in one go. Naughty cleaner. I'm going to have to reprimand you and send you to the bedroom for the next 6 months for that, as punishment. So anyway, that, let's close my cupboard. That's the daily clean done for today. As I say, I'm not going to have time to do upstairs as well. It's getting on for 9:30 now anyway at night, so the neighbours go to bed quite early with the baby next door, so I don't like using vacuums after sort of like 9:30. I know that side, they don't care. They stay up partying until 3-4 in the morning, they do, but she goes to bed early. But there we go. As I say, the videos now are not going to be as frequent as they used to be. Because I have done reviews on just about every machine upstairs, and I've got this Olivia girl that keeps asking me to do reviews on this, that and the other, and I might be able to do another one on the DC04 limited edition, but people get bored of seeing the reviews on the same old machines, and my viewer count is now falling to the floor anyway, so people just aren't watching the videos anymore. They must find them boring. So, you know, if it carries on like that, I'll just have to suspend filming and finish it, and only film when I get a new clean, which isn't going to be very often, or film the washing machine. But my daily clean videos are not getting that many views. People just don't find them interesting. What they find interesting is unboxings And they find Dorian's channel interesting because he's always having new machines in there to raise the interests. And I can't afford to keep buying new machines, and I haven't got space for them. I can't do it on this channel. I mean, I can keep doing videos of the same old Dysons, but people ain't going to watch that either, so I just don't really know. I can do a few more big mess tests, but there we go. This is the trouble, you see, when you record videos every day. People come to expect them, and then when you run out of things to video, then people say, oh, you're not filming much anymore. Well, I don't know. But anyway, until the next time, I'll see you again later. Bye for now.